Hello everyone. In this video, let us see about wire electric discharge machining. The working principle of this machine is that a wire is used to cut hard materials. The wire must be brass or copper, which is electrically supplied with a DC current, which erodes the hard materials through continuous spark. The spark is produced in between the produced as a gap must be given between the workpiece and the wire, which is filled with a dielectric fluid, which is a deionized water, which allows the spark to flow and which erodes the material. This is the working principle of wire electric discharge machining. The dielectric fluid used is a deionized water, and this machine is mostly used to cut hard materials and to form intricate complex shapes. And these components of this machine are shown in this video: the fixture and the rollers, which will direct the brass wire, and then there is a servo motor which regulates the feed into the material, and these are the nozzles which through which the wire passes, and this is the fixture which holds the workpiece. And this machine is controlled by computer numerical control, CNC operated. You can see here we can apply the direction and geometry to be cut in the material through this setup. And this is the entire setup of a wire electric discharge machine, and the components made in this machine are hard materials. And you can see the nozzle through which the brass wire passes. This is the component which is machined using this machine with intricate holes and passageways. So you now will see a video of cutting brass. This is an NAB alloy which is cutted to a determined dimension of 10 millimeter length, 10 millimeter width and 7.5 millimeter thickness, which is cutted using the machine. You can see a spark generated where the material is being eroded. This erosion is the process of removing material from the workpiece. And that's the brass wire which is fed into the nozzle, and there is no physical contact between the wire and the workpiece. And now you can see the direction of the wire movement in the material to be eroded. The material being cut out from the workpiece. These are the workpiece, and the dimensions are checked using vernier caliper. Okay, thanks for watching.